Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1. We will explain about the material critical reading and thinking with the title is Fact and Opinion. Before that, let me introduce my team. The first one is Nadia Yunisarli, Rabil Alamsyah, me, Salsabila Nasfa, and the last is Sylvika. Next. Okay, I will explain about the definition of fact. A fact can be defined as a thing that is known or proved to be true. Fact can also refer to a piece of information presented as having objective reality. All facts can be proved by observation or finding the information in books and the internet. Fact features. 1. A fact is objective and something real. 2. A fact on research, observation, and indisputable experience. 3. Use a word that has unusual meaning. 4. A fact is proven to be correct. Next will be presented by Sylvika. To Sylvika, the time is yours.
Okay, I will tell you the example of facts. Steffi has 3 sisters, and bats are mammals, and the moon is the Earth's natural satellite. The next is typhus is caused by bacteria, and Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. The last one is the sun rises in the east. Okay, next. Definition of opinion. Opinion is a person's view or judgments of something. An opinion can be identified by paying attention to the words contained in it. Here is the best words in opinion. Very, fun, good, beautiful, handsome, terrible, most, more, best, clever, favorite, great, and delicious. In addition, opinions can also be identified by paying attention to words that indicate ideas or truth. Here is the example. Think, likely, always, usually, sometimes, never, probably, every, all, and should. Okay.
Next will be presented by Nadia. To Nadia, the time is yours.
Opinion is also refers to a judgment or belief about something, assumption or personal view in a subjective statement. Opinion is perception about something differs from person to person and express bias or debatable. In other words, an opinion is an inconclusive statement that is used in subjective matters, which cannot prove true or false. It is what a person thinks or feels about something or someone. Next. Okay, next is opinion features. Number 1, containing personal opinion or opinion of others. Subjective nature. Use relative words. Can't be proven true. No research or search. Shows something that doesn't have to happen. And the last one contains responses to an event.
Thank you to Nadia. The next will be presented by Rabil. To Rabil, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. And this is there are the example of opinions. We can see we have several example of opinions. Okay, I would like to go to the next slides because okay, it's a conclusion tabs. Okay, Before I'm talking about conclusion, I would like to talk about the key difference about between fact and opinion. The difference between fact and opinion on the following grounds. Number one is the fact is described as the statement that can be verified or proved to be true. Opinion is an expression of judgment or belief about something. Number two, fact really relies on observation or research, while opinion is based on assumption. Number three is the fact is an objective reality, whereas opinion is a subjective statement. And number four, fact can be verified with the help of evidence or statistic. On the contrary, opinion is not supported by any evidence. Number five is fact explain what actually happened, unlike an opinion that represent a perception about something. Number six, one important feature of the fact is that it is universal and does not differ from person to person. As against this, every human being has a different opinion on a particular subject, and so it varies from one person to another. Number seven is facts are shown with unbiased word. However, opinion is expressed with biased word. Number eight, fact can be changed anybody's opinion, but vice versa is not possible. The last one is fact are real information, and so it cannot be challenged or debated. But if we can talk about opinion, they can be debated. Okay, the conclusion is, in our understanding about using fact and opinion, is to persuade the readers to agree with his idea. That is why in reading a text we need to question ourselves, can the statement be debated or not? If the statement can be debated, it was opinion. But if the statement cannot be debated, it was a fact. Therefore, to know the reliability and utility of an information or statement, it is vital to understand the difference between fact and opinion, so as to evaluate things and draw conclusions. While reading comprehension, it is hard to identify whether a given expression is a fact or an opinion, as they are quite commonly juxtaposed by the writers. Facts are always one step ahead of opinions, as fact can be proved to be right or accurate, whereas opinion may also be right, but they cannot be proven as true. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you to Rabil. I think that's the end of our presentation today. Thank you for attention. Sorry for our mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.